Okay, so what I have here is just a little paint dish that my kids have used to do watercolor paints and mix their paints in. And around the outside you see that each well has a name of a pretty common household cleaner or household item, cooking thing, whatever, that we're going to put in each of those wells. So I'm going to put those things into the wells, and then we'll go from there. Here you can see the individual things that I have put on there. Alright, so I have all of my household items in this little tray now, and I have taken pieces of red cabbage and boiled them in water for 10 minutes, and now I have cabbage juice. And cabbage juice is an indicator, and so what I'm going to do is put some cabbage juice into each of these things, and that will tell us something about whether it's an acid or base or neither. So this first one is ammonia, and you see it kind of looks green. Second one is oven cleaner, which is going to take a little bit of mixing to do because it's all bubbly foamy in there, so we'll work on that in a minute. Next one is just plain old water. And then I've got some lime away, so if you end up with hard water deposits on your shower or tub or something, that's the kind of stuff that cleans that off. And then some lemon juice, which is a little bit yellow to begin with because it's lemon juice, but we'll see how that goes. Baking soda next to the lemon juice. Another tub and tile cleaner. Some bleach. Vinegar. And rubbing alcohol. Alright, so now what happens with this cabbage juice is it's an acid base indicator, and you see we've got the rainbow going here now. The blue ones, so water, you know, is neutral, and rubbing alcohol is also neutral. It's not an acid or a base, and those are blue. And if you noticed as I was putting the cabbage juice in, it's also blue. It's in water, so that should be. Now there's two extremes. The brightest red is the strongest acid, and the brightest yellow is the strongest base. Lighter reds or pinks or oranges are weaker acids, and things that are green are weaker bases. So the spectrum kind of goes from bright red, strong acid, pink to orange, weak acid, blue is neutral, green is weak base, yellow is strong base. So you see that oven cleaner is the strongest base. This stuff will eat your fingers off if you let it. And if you get a little drop on your finger, I did actually when I was putting these things together, it feels like soap, like we talked about. So that's yellow. bleach is kind of a lighter yellow. Baking soda and ammonia are both the green kind of. Baking soda is more green and ammonia is somewhere between blue and green. So baking soda is a little bit stronger base than ammonia is. And then the strongest reds are actually the Lime-A-Way and the Works. So those are both probably hydrochloric acid, which is a strong acid. And then lemon juice and vinegar are weak acids, so they're more pink. So 10 different things you can find around the house, a whole range of acids and bases. And now I challenge you to go find stuff in your house and find out if they're acids and bases.